Today we are going to discuss about Python programming language. Python is a powerful interpreter language. It supports dynamically supported data type. Dynamic means during the runtime of a program, it automatically assigns the data type of a variable. A variable is used to store the values. It starts with alphabet or underscore or a combination of alphabet, underscore or digits. Python is a case sensitive language. Case sensitive means if we are using lowercase, you have to use compulsory lowercase in your program. Otherwise it produces a name error. Now we are going to discuss about some basic data types of Python. Before discussing data types of Python, we are going to discuss about two important statements in Python: print statement and input statement. Print statement is used to print the value of variables or value of some messages. Input statement is used to get the input from the user. And Python supports two types of modes. One is script mode and another one is interactive mode. This is online editor. In this online editor, right side screen represents script mode and left side screen represents right side screen represents interactive mode and left side screen represents script mode. In right side screen, for example, I am declaring a equal to 5, print a. It gives the output as 5. But I want to check the data type of this object. I can use the statement as type of a. Type of a. It produces the output as class integer data type. Produce output as integer data type because it automatically assigns the data type as int. If I am using input statement, I want to get the input during the runtime of a program. I need to use input statement. In this input statement, I want to get the value of variable a. So I am giving the statement as input of enter the value. Now I want to check the type of variable a. It gives the output as int. Str. That is all the things it just accept in the form of string only. To avoid this one, we can assign int of a equal to int of input enter the value. It produces an valid error. invalid literal for int. Assigning L equal to int of input as the input. Just I am giving the value as 6. Now I want to check the value of variable. I am using print of type of variable name L. It gives the output as the class type int. Similarly, we can use other data types, float, string and complex data type. Other than this data types, some iterable data types also available in Python, that are list, tuple and a dictionary. And a list is a mutable object and tuple is a immutable object. Mutable means we can change the value of variable. The value of list index starts from 0 to n-1. List can be indicated with square braces. L equal to square braces. Then I can assign the value of elements inside the list. I want to change any value, just giving L of 1. This 1 indicates the second value in the list. Instead of 5, I want to assign 4. Then L, it just the input as 4. That is 4 is assigned to 1. Now list is mutable object. Similarly, if it is tuple, the tuple can be indicated by round braces and tuple is a immutable object. Now I want to change the value of tuple to indicates third value. The index of third value is 2, because in tuple also the index starts from 0. So T2 is equal to 7. It produces an error message. Type error. We can't assign the value because tuple is an immutable object. So these are some basics about Python programming language. Thank you.